Good morning everyone. Today I will solve exercise 1.3. Question number first. Make correct statement by filling in the symbol subset not subset in the blank spaces. First part, set element of set 2, 3, 4 and another set element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every element of set exists in this set. So this is subset of this. All 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. All element of this set present in this set. Second part, element of set A, B, C and element of set another B, C, D. A does not belong in this set and B and C. A is not present in this set, so this is not subset of this. Not subset of this because element A not present in this set. So not subset of this. Third, X such that X is a student of class 11th of your school. Another set, X is student of your school. X is student of your school. So 11th class present in this school. So this set, all element of set present in this set. So this is subset of this. Fourth, X says that X is a circle in plane. And another set, X says that X is a circle in same plane with radius 1. One radius fixed circle, and in this set circle there are many circle with radius 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1 unit, so not subset of this. And fifth, X such that X is a triangle in a plane, and X such that X is a rectangle in a plane. This is a triangle in plane and this is triangle in this plane set. So this is not subset of this. 6. X such that X is an equilateral triangle in plane. This is in set equilateral triangle, and another set triangle in the plane. In triangle, so there are such types of triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalar triangle, right triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle. So this triangle present in this set. So this is a subset of this. And seventh part, X says that X is an even natural number. Even natural number 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, dot dot. So and X is an integer. Integer, positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So natural even number present in this set integer. So this is a subset of this. Question number 2, examine whether the following statement are true or false. First part, element of set A, B does not subset of B, C, A. This is A, B present in this, so this is false. And A is subset of X such that X is vowels in English alphabet. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. So A is present in this. This is true. This is true. So A is present in this set. This is subset of this. And 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 5. 2 is not present in this set. 2 element does not present in this set. So this is not subset of this. So this is false. And A present in this, so A is subset of this, so this is true. And A element, A subset belong to this, this is false. 6. X such that X an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number, this is 2, 4, 2, 4. Even natural number and also subset of, so X such that X is natural number which divide 36. So this is divide 36. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12 and 16. So 2, 4 present in this. So this is subset of this. This is true. Question number 4. Third question, do yourself solve. Fourth, write down all the subset of the following. First part, solution of first part. So element A. So this is subset first phi and another A. And first part, second part A, B. So subset of this set, subset phi A comma B comma A comma B. So how many number of subset? So this you can formula 2 की power n. Number of subset 2 की power n. This is 1. So 2 की power 1 is equal to 2. Initially subset 1 phi already exists, phi and only one subset, so there are 2 subset, phi and A. And also AB, so 2 element in this set there are 2 elements, so sub 2 की power 2 is equal to 4. So first phi, second single, फिर again single, यानी A and B and combine AB. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 subset of given set. And third 1, 2, 3. So subset of given set phi comma, so 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 1, 3. 1, comma 3. So this is 2 की power 3, 1, 2, 3 element, 2 की power 3. There are 8 element, 8 subset. 8 subset, first 5, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. There are 8 subset, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and fourth 5. So subset there are no element in this set, so only 5. So this is answer, that's all.